Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and fan. Removal. Loosen the 6 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board in the numerical order indicated. Note: if the notebook is a UMA configuration, you need to loosen the 4 screws from the heatsink in the numerical order indicated. Grasp both ends of the heatsink, lift up and remove. Replacement. Note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Use alcohol in a soft cloth or an alcohol swab to clean all thermal grease off of the heatsink and processor. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply thermal grease to the processor. Place the heatsink over the screw wells on the system board. Tighten the 6 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board in the numerical order indicated. Note: if the notebook is a UMA configuration, you need to tighten the 4 screws on the heatsink in the numerical order indicated.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.